Hi there, welcome to Sutton's Scullery. This is Elizabeth. Today I'm going to try again for a pink swirl soap. The last time I tried this soap, the oven was turned on accidentally, the soap overheated and volcanoed. And so I'm trying again this time, and I will be sure to put a note on the oven. Lye is caustic, and when it first encounters the water, it creates a lot of heat and steam. I would normally mix these two outdoors or in a back room with lots of ventilation, but on this particular day, the windows are all open, so I'm mixing it right in my kitchen. I'll melt my hard oils first, so beef tallow and coconut oil. I'll just melt them over low heat. While my hard oils are melting, I'll combine my essential oils, and then I'll measure out my French rose clay and I'll add to it 30 grams of olive oil just to pre-mix it before I add the soaping oils.